Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice candy soft and smooth. First, the secret to that delightful, non-icy texture is a small amount of cornstarch or tapioca starch. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons per liter of liquid can make a huge difference. This helps prevent large ice crystals from forming, giving you a wonderfully smooth and creamy result. Remember to dissolve it completely before heating your mixture. Once your ingredients are well combined, gently heat the mixture over medium heat. Stir constantly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan and burning. You'll notice it will start to thicken slightly, similar to a thin custard. This cooking step is crucial for activating the starch and achieving that smooth consistency. After cooking, let it cool down completely to room temperature before moving to the next step. Now that your mixture is cool, it's time to prepare it for freezing. Carefully pour the liquid into your ice candy bags or molds, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. It's important to remove as much air as possible from the bags before sealing them tightly. This helps prevent freezer burn and maintains the smooth texture. Lay them flat in your freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours or until completely solid. And there you have it, deliciously soft and smooth ice candy, perfect for a warm day. The starch prevents those annoying ice crystals, giving you a truly satisfying treat. Feel free to experiment with different fruit purees or flavorings to create your own unique combinations. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and happy freezing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.